Hey fam, hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another new construction. This one is a commercial development. So Fosrich is building a super center right over here, and that's what we're taking a look on today. So we are currently on Chalmers Avenue off Molynes Road. When I send up the drone, you guys will have a better idea where we are. So we're beside, well, the construction is beside Our Ladies of the Angels Prep School right here on Molynes Road. You also have the Birds Auto next door as well. So once I send up the drone, you get a better aerial shot of the location. I'll also go outside. They have a billboard up just showing what the completed complex will look like. It's gonna be in front of the current Fosrich on Molynes Road. So it's a drone video. There was an existing, or well, more than one existing building over there before, so they had to demolish. So they're demolishing the existing building now, and then they start a new construction. So I'm gonna show you the demolition that's happening now. I also have a clip of the building that was there before any work started, so I'll insert that clip as well so you guys can see where it's coming from. If you're new to the channel, you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and for those who don't know as well, remember to subscribe. That's the cheapest and easiest way to support me. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. Remember to like the video, remember to comment, and remember to like as well. So that's the billboard we're gonna zoom up on as soon as we go outside. So leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this new construction. Leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this new construction right here on Molynes Road. And we also have on this road that I'm on, Chalmers Avenue, I also have a call center, a big call center building on it, and another one building adjacent as well. So I'll get a quick shot of that just the same. So stay tuned, guys. We know it's a drone video, so I'll send up the drone, so you guys definitely wait for that. And we'll also zoom up on the billboard as well. So enjoy the video, leave your comment, show some love, show some support, subscribe. A new construction, well, another new construction, a commercial development this time by Fosrich. So it's the Fosrich Super Center. Alright, now we know that Fosrich is in the business of electrical supplies. I think we can categorize them as a hardware. So they're hardware mainly focused on electrical supplies, you know, from conduit to everything electrical. And I think they do some amount of distribution as well. So that's Fosrich Electrical and Sales. So new project for them right over there, and that's beside the relatively new Birds Auto. I think this Birds is about 1 to 3, about 3 year old. This was a big construction for birds as well. Alright guys, so we're gonna set up the drone anytime now.